Hello, welcome to this screencast tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to use Glogster. So exactly what is Glogster? It is free software and it's actually a social network that lets you create interactive posters which are referred to as glogs, G-L-O-G-S. Blogs are actually graphical blogs. The finished product that you create in Glogster is an interactive poster that users can view. The first step is to open an account. So you'll go to www.glogster.com to set up an account. Now let's get started. For those of you who are interested, Glogster has an educational version. With the educational version, you pay a fee and teachers and students have access to an account that is only available to members affiliated with your school. This might be something that you are interested in beyond this tutorial. The version I'm going to show you is the basic free Glogster account. It's a great way to learn how to use it and decide if you want to purchase an account for your school. Let's continue. Once you have logged in to your new account, at the top you'll see several different selections you can make. If you would like, you can select a completely blank template to begin using Glogster, but there are other options. For example, Glogster also has pre-made templates. They have specific names attached to them. Notice here there's a fly paper glog, a pinboard glog. I'm advancing it, and you can see there's video glog and album glog. There's several different pre-made templates that you can select from. I'm going to choose this one called Lyrics glog. When it opens, you'll notice that it has content that is already inside your poster. You can keep some of the content, or if you'd like to, you can omit the content that you decide not to use. Here is the glog open, the pre-made template. See the text here, you could change and edit as you see fit. And this particular one is a pretty simplistic one. You might want to start with one that doesn't have a lot of elements. This way you can get used to how to use it, and if you decide that you want to have one of the pre-made templates that's more that has more content in it, the more you get comfortable with it, you can choose one of those. So you have the choice to go in and change the text, for example. You have the option to be able to come up with different graphic images that you can add to your glog. And if you want to change the wall, for example, that's the background color, I'll select light blue so you can see what it looks like when you go to change the wall color. It really changes the whole feel of your glog, and you might decide that you want to manipulate the color of the text as well when you change the wall. Now let's take a look at that same template, but what I've done is added content. I've changed the title, and this one is called A Midsummer Night's Dream, Puck's Monologue. Inside I've inserted the last lines of the play, which are spoken by Puck. I've included a video, and in that video the character is speaking the text that appears. I included a picture of Shakespeare, William Shakespeare, who wrote A Midsummer Night's Dream, and I put this little push pin in the center of the poster that has the title of the play. At the bottom, I'm letting people know that attached is a full copy of the play for them to read. I hope you enjoy using Glogster. There are so many things you can do with it. Thank you.